Good morning, everyone. John for Popeyes Postcards. Before we get into the what sold video, which there isn't much of, remember a few weeks ago I was saying that I was getting to my shipping labels through this little bell icon and the paid waiting to ship, and it was populating in these old labels that had already been shipped. Well, today, what I started doing is then I would go to my seller hub and click on those waiting shipment. You saw on the front that page there was only 8 of them, and I was also had that mysterious $200 show up out of nowhere. Well, today I click on manage orders waiting shipment, and magically those orders from back on February 23rd and so on that I've already shipped, they already have tracking number, they have now magically appeared, now matching, I think, that 200 mystery dollars that's just kind of been sitting there. So I'm going to try something here, and I'm going to see if I can make these disappear. So I'm going to pause you and let's see if this works. Okay, so all I'm doing is I just went down and clicked through those ones that the magical mystery money ones. I'm going to archive them. Let's see what happens when I archive them. Okay, well, they disappeared, but the magical money is still sitting there. And quick side tangent, when you close your store for 2 weeks, your sales per month drop by 75%. Ouch. Now, so let's go click back through here. Yeah, magical money is still there. But 8 of 12? That makes no sense either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe there's multiple quantities. That's strange. So 1 of 8 of 12. That makes no sense. There's actually 9 postcards. I'm going to click up here and see if those old ones still show up. They were down here. At least it looks like I got rid of them on the labels page, which is good. So that's one positive thing. I just don't know what this means now. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. We'll get into the what sold here in 1 second. Well, the magical money still remains. I archived the orders. I marked them as payment received. I marked them as shipped. And it's still showing up. The magical mystery money is still there, and also they have not shown up on my bulk shipping label page, but they're showing up as that they've been paid and need shipped, but they're not on the bulk shipping. So I don't know what's going on with that. So let's get into what you really came here for, to view my not even mediocre, to view my poor sales and listen to me mispronounce things. This is actually probably just into the high 40s because we talked about that one yesterday and it's been shipped. So this is Postcard. This is Valentine's, To My Valentine, Cupid with Roses, 1911 winch back. Right there is the winch back information. $7.99 came in that buyout I did in like December of December of 19, I think, or 20. I can't quite remember now. I think it was 20. This is Richmond, Virginia, Jefferson Davis Monument. This has been removed, and people buy these for $6.99. Harrisburg, PA, downtown Harrisburg at night. So a night street view. That one sold for $3.99 on a best offer. Same buyer bought this, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Larkdale Motor Court Motel, 1950s. You know, I don't have a real big problem, especially with Whatnot doing so well. I'm going to ride the Whatnot wave right now. I should bring that up again. We're going to do another auction this Saturday. This is Wildwood Crest 2 Mile Landing Restaurant Multi-View. And that sold for $6.99. Key West, Florida, Atlantic Shores Motel, 1950. Swimming pool, old car. And that one for $550. Next, California, Hollywood, freeway cars, Greyhound bus, Kawanga, I think it's Kawanga Canyon. Probably mispronounced that. Wow, look how bad my scanner was with all those little lines. Ooh-wee. Definitely needed cleaned. That sold for $9.99. Zuka's Restaurant, New York City, New York. By the looks of the background, this has been up for 7, 8, 9 years. Best offer of $5. Do I even have? See, I don't even have a picture of the back. Oof, so it might be 9 or 10 years. This is Cedar Falls, Iowa, the Commons, Iowa State Teachers College, real photo. So RPPC 1224. And then over on the airplane cards, we'll bring that one in here. Just sold a couple. A photo and some cards, but I want to talk about this one. This one actually, the people who I bought the lot of aviation cards, the mother came back in, bought this card, said, hey, this is so-and-so, you bought these postcards and pictures that were my father's, you bought them from my son. You know, my dad used to fly this plane or used to work on this plane. So she bought back her own family memory. So I don't know what you guys would do, but I'm gonna send it to her, refund her shipping. I'm gonna make so much money eventually from these airplane cards that I'm just gonna return this to her. And if I can find them, I've set aside some family photos that I've found in some of the boxes. If I can find them in my messes somewhere, they're upstairs in my office. I'm going to send those back if I can find them. I know I have them. I've been saving them up, but I'll have her address. I guess I had it before, but I'll send her a package of her family photos that could be her family photos. I'm not sure, but there's personal photos that I will return. So that's sold for $27.99, but that one's going back home where it belongs. Sold a this is what, Gulf Air Airlines, Bahrain. Sold that for $4.99. And this one, Gulf Air, Bahrain, Vickers, $4.99. These are going to, it's going to Qatar, maybe? I can't remember exactly where. Yeah, the country of Qatar, or Qatar, or however people say it. I think it's Qatar. Never sold anything to that. I don't think I have. Anyway, this one also sold. It's the Space Shuttle Orbiter Columbia on the back of a 747, $2.99. And just the continuing saga. I called eBay. They agreed that the 2 remaining negatives should be removed. And the CSR rep said that they were going to remove them. Should take 15 to 20 minutes. Well, only one fell off. So I have to give them another call back and get that last one removed. So keep on. If you ever have a bad negative, you know you don't deserve it, and you have proof that it's wrong, fight it. Call customer service, fight it, put in a request to have it removed, and protect your feedback at all costs. And let's talk Whatnot again. You guys may be getting sick of this, but I really think this could be a really good thing for sellers. Don't have to have stuff sit on eBay forever. Live auction, live bidding, you get rid of that thing quickly. I know future auctions for me are not going to be as great as the one I just had, but I'm going to keep at it until this thing runs its course, until I get rid of, 500,000, 750,000 postcards. Let's get them out. So I'm going to talk about my own, but also just when you go to Whatnot, I'm not the only one selling postcards. New to You Provisions had an auction yesterday, all holiday. He did really well, offered some really nice cards. Today that someone's doing, looks like Victorian trade cards, paper and stuff. Bastiques also did ephemera yesterday. His stuff was awesome looking. If I already didn't have hordes and hordes and hordes of stuff, I'd be looking at Bastique's. It looks like Smith Auctions today at 7. Looks like I saw a box of postcards in the back there. So I'm not the only one on there selling ephemera and postcards. Lots of other sellers on there. Go give them a look. But let's talk about me, because it's all about me.
Hey everyone, John for Popeyes Postcard. Going to do a all postcard auction on Saturday, May 7th, starting at 7:30. We'll go until I'm tired or we're through with these boxes. We may add more. Just going to pick 25, 50, 100 postcard lots randomly out of these boxes, and we'll let them rip. Hope to see you then.
Yeah, let them rip. So yeah, I'm just going to grab, again, to start, so we get that shipping low for those first ones, and then you get $1 shipping for any others you win. I'm just going to grab out of here 25, 25, 25, maybe 25, 25, whatever, and slowly build that up to 50 cards and then 100 cards. I've not looked through these boxes in years. I just pulled these 3 off one of my shelving units over here. I just took the tops off to make sure it just wasn't like all folders or all Continental, but I didn't look through. So who knows, that could be all foreign. I don't know. That could be all Niagara Falls. I don't know. Going to do giveaways. Going to make it a little bit more interesting with giveaways. There's going to be, if we come across certain postcards, that's going to trigger a giveaway. So make it a little bit more fun and interesting. Don't go crazy, people, please. I don't know what's in here, but they're postcards. So yeah, just don't go crazy. But yeah, we'll do that Saturday. Link will be in down below. Saturday at 7:30. Like I said, we'll run until I get tired. If it's after 2 boxes, it's after 2 boxes. But I think we'll be able to make it through 3. But let's try it this way. And then I think on Tuesdays, I'm gonna try to do two a week. Tuesdays, I'm gonna try to do more curated lots, 50 holiday, 50 Christmas, 50 New Jersey, 100 South Carolina, 25 Tennessee, more Disney. So specific topics, specific states, specific holidays, stuff like that. And then on Saturdays, try to do this where it's just going through boxes, just picking lots out of boxes and just letting them go for a buck. Start them at $1 and see where it goes. You guys decide if those cards are worth more than a buck. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you everybody for hanging with me. Thank you.